morning, everyone. Today we're also broadcasting live with you from Gitex 2008 on Emirates Computers stand. We're still on the same stand, however, I have somebody different with me this time, Safarudheen. Safarudheen, can you please give us your full name and your job title?
Safarudheen Farook, I work for the pre-sales department, the TSS.
Okay.
You're from the technical side for Cisco products.
All right, great. Safarudheen, I'm very happy to be with you today. Can you please tell us what's your demo all about?
All about the great initiative of the green, to make it green. We have, Cisco has produced a lot of equipments. I'm mainly demonstrating the ACE equipments, which is a load balancer application control engine, and how it can dominate the screen communication and all that.
Can you please define green for us?
Green is all about making the environment to consume less power and control the emission control.
So the energy spending, so that our environment can be happier and our environment can be just healthy for us to live in longer. Okay, so now Safarudheen, who's the target audience for this demo?
My target audience are data center administrators and data center managers, who mainly manages the main extreme data centers.
All right, I can see that. And what's your main goal out of this demo, other than green?
The main goal is to showcase the visualization functionality of the ACE appliance, to show the data center managers the end-to-end visualization, how we achieve it, from a VLAN to a virtual firewall to a virtual load balancing, again back to a virtual machine. We're going to achieve our end-to-end visualization, which can dominate a great big deal for making a data center green.
Okay, I see, great. Okay, so now I'm just all curious to know about his demo, aren't you? Okay, so please, can you run us through your demo? I'm just making some space here.
Okay, I'll just demonstrate the load balancing functionality on a round-robin fashion. Over here,
Giving him a minute to load everything so that everything is perfect for you.
here we have 3 virtual machines, and behind that a load balancer is connected. So this load balancer is going to load balance the traffic between the 3 virtual machines.
All right.
And we're going to use a virtual IP to access. So each client accessing the load balancer will be using a single IP. By using the single IP, the load balancer will load balance the traffic based on round-robin fashion.
Okay.
So I'm going to showcase a small demo to how to access the load balancer, and you can see the traffic from like each request goes to a different server.
Okay, okay.
This is my internet browser over here. This is my client. I'm connected to the data center. My connection goes to the load balancer, then to a virtual machine. From a browser, I type the virtual IP address, which is 192.168.1.100.
Yes.
It's a single virtual IP. My first request go to the server 64.
Okay.
Okay. And now when the next client connects, he uses the same virtual IP.
Okay.
And it goes to the ACE load balancer.
So now we're saving one IP, right?
Yeah, we are saving much
Yeah,
IPs,
exactly.
and we are just virtualizing, and we are just using one IP to access all the servers.
Amazing.
And so it's in a virtualized context. We create a virtualized ACE which goes to a virtual machine. So you can have like 100 servers, and this can load balance between the traffic.
Okay, perfect.
Now my request goes to the server number 65. Now, when another client comes in, it gives the same access, which goes to the next server, which goes to the 63. So
Okay.
it's the traffic shift between the virtual servers based on the assets. This is how it load balance the traffic, load balance the load to the data center.
Okay.
And this load balance is visualized, and step by step we can go up to 250 virtual contexts. That's like
Amazing.
having a single physical device. It's like instead of having single physical device, divided virtually into 250 contexts. So you think about having 250 devices, or one device having it, you think about the power consumption. You don't have to power on the 250 devices.
We just have to power one.
on. So this is all about turning the data center to green. So less power consumption and less rack space. All the database, you need to have 10 racks to have each device doing same application. Over here you have a firewall which can be virtualized with 250 firewalls as well as the A's, which can be visualized into that, and this can be connected to a virtual machine.
Okay.
So instead of having 100 racks, we're just minimizing it as much as you can, and the power consumption and the heat dissipation, everything goes on. It's all about having it green.
Okay. Okay, so that's it. Any last word?
Nothing much. If any customer requires a POC, we're ready to come on site and do a proof of concept on the customer premise, and we would like to demonstrate all of the equipment as well.
Okay, sure. Please do. So here you go. You have one customer here looking for you, I guess. Okay. Thanks again, everyone, for being with us. We'll be back for some more shortly.